I have Blitz number 3. Just lost 2 in a row. Let me see what's happening now. Another bird game. Last one was a bird game. See if he moves. Yeah. Okay, D5. That's the main move here. And I play this as a reverse Leningrad Dutch with an extra tempo. He goes for the king side, fianchetto, G6, bishop G7. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's a good way to play. Castles. C3. It's a waiting move to see what he does. And he honestly can't play the D4 right now. D4 right now honestly isn't even the best move. He'll probably play knight C6 and I can go knight A3. Versus Leningrad Dutch. Here we are, his main position. Right here. It's a crossroads to see what he does. Okay. Okay. La 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 la. Goes to that. Okay, it's B6. He's saying I might fianchetto. Yeah. I'm just gonna play E4 right here because the weakness of the last move, that diagonal, is really, really, really weak, and I can play that knight here and get away with the E4 break. This pawn on E4 is pinned, and that means I'm getting, potentially a pawn phalanx here. Potentially, maybe not necessarily. Bishop B7, obviously. Oh, yeah, he's coming with that. It's not really all that impressive because I want to play Queen E1 anyway to support my pawns and stuff like that. And if these pawns ever move on the king side, then my queen is on a really great diagonal. You'll see Queen E1 played in the Dutch a lot. If he comes down and takes with the queen, then I have 3 things attacking the E4 square. Right now I'm threatening to win the piece. On C6, hanging piece. So he is obliged to really exchange right there. And then after these exchanges, he can come down, attempt to defend his knight. Yeah, he's defending his knight with his queen. And his knight's still pinned right there. So essentially right now, I can go for the kingside attack that I was talking about with F5, or I can get my pawn back. But I played the E4 break wrong. In that position, it actually wasn't okay to play E4 break. I miscalculated that. Sorry, guys, because I play it so much, it usually works all the time. So I'm going to need to watch this video again myself. Helping me now. I'm just going to get the pawn back. I'm at a huge disadvantage of this game. He shouldn't really have any trouble. My knight's not even looking that great. It does. I mean, it has a c4 square, but whatever. He'll probably bring his rook here, and then after I move my queen, bring it down to the second rank, threatening mate, and then eventually mate me. I'm pretty sure he's got mate. I can't defend that mate. Because after I move up here, it just checks. And then after he checks, I block, bring the other rook in. And then my rook's out of play. Oh, he exchanged. Oh, he's exchanging. Then he's going to come and check me, and then check me once or twice. Yeah, another instructive loss. Was he just laughing at me now? What? I don't know why he played that. Well, yeah, obviously I see rook coming down. Not much I could do about it. Check. Yeah, he's got mate. Okay, love you, bro. I love you. Nice mate.